resilient. Toughness. How did you come to be so strong?
Well, I reckon farm life just makes you farm tough.
Farm tough. Come on, everybody, I'll give you the tour. Bed by 4, up at 2. Steve boy, this is you. Now that we're farm folk, I'm the one who calls my wife mother. Night.
Oh, God!
Roger. Haley and Jeff. Mother, if you open up this oil painting of blonde Jesus, there's a cupboard behind.
Stan, this is Amos.
Hey.
Amos, it's not what it looks like.